At this point, where do you kind of see the current climate of the tech world right now?
Complex and uncertain and rapidly changing.
It's a good sound.
Um, and unfortunately, the culture today is not heart centered. And that's caused, I think, by a couple of factors. One is there's so much uncertainty right now, and there's so much change
Yeah.
with AI and dealing with the economy and geopolitics, and there's just so much uncertainty. And what we see is companies really sort of retreating, watching costs, waiting and seeing.
Yeah.
I've been reading that companies now are more getting used to what was going on in 2025. And so they're starting to think more strategically, but they're still really watching costs. We see that in the fact that we have job huggers now because people are afraid to give up a job because they know it's hard to get a job. We're in an economy where, I don't know if you know this, but 18 to 24-year-olds right now, the unemployment is 10.5%.
That's high.
Kids, it's really high. It's double the average unemployment here. So companies don't want to train new people. Right. I think this is a big mistake because it's a strategic investment, and young people will remember what companies did during this time. Yeah. We've got a lot of AI hype. Instead of, I think back to 2008 when we had the recession. Companies were laying off a lot of people, but they laid off the people saying, with more honesty and transparent communication, it's the economy. We're really sorry about the impact of this on your families, but we have to do it. We're struggling as a company. The economy is bad. We're not doing that today, even though it's still the economy. We're saying it's AI, and we're announcing, Fortune 500 companies announcing, we laid off 14,000. Hooray, we're doing so great with AI.
So efficient.
We're so efficient, right? We know the truth. I mean, 7%, I just looked it up this week, 7% of Fortune 5 or large companies in this country have adopted AI at any scale. Yeah. Only 12% really are making any progress. And yet we're announcing these huge number of layoffs and saying, almost celebrating how much, progress we've made. Employees know that's not the truth. Yeah. We're breaking trust so much. Yeah. It's just really challenging right now. Yeah. Companies are not they're eliminating things like training. They're eliminating things like employee celebration. They're pulling back on their university relationship partnerships. Right. It's just a challenging time.